Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Technical Talks with Technocrat Pradeep Ji. Today I am bringing you an educational video. It is a part of a CCNA syllabus wherein I am showing you how to configure a DHCP server using a Cisco router. So here I am using a tool called as a Cisco Packet Tracer, and I have 4 computers and a switch and a router on my screen. I have created a topology with these devices. Now this particular router, I'm going to assign an IP address manually 10.0.0.1 to its fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. Once I configure this router with an IP address, we'll proceed with a DHCP configuration. I'll type enable configure terminal interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP space address 10.0.0.1 with 255.0.0.0 as a subnet mask. No shutdown will bring up this port. Line protocol on this interface fast Ethernet 0/0 change its state to up. DHCP configuration is pretty simple. The commands are IP DHCP pool. We have to create a pool with some name. I'm giving it as my DHCP. Once you enter into pool, define the network. Network 10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0 is a subnet mask. Default router, which is a default gateway here also, which is 10.0.0.1. DNS server, I'm defining it as 8.8.8.8. I'm done configuring a DHCP server. You can give an optional command IP DHCP excluded address. Let us say if you want to exclude a couple of IP addresses from your pool, you can give this command, which is an optional command. It is not compulsory. When any client machine requesting an IP address, the server will not issue an IP address in this range. It will start issuing an IP address from 10.0.0.11 onwards. Now that I'm done configuring a DHCP server in a Cisco router, now let us get into these computers and then let us send a DHCP request. Desktop IP configuration, we have an option DHCP. The moment I click on a DHCP, this client should initiate a DHCP request and I should get 10.0.0.11 as my IP address, 255.0.0.0 as my subnet mask, and default gateway would be 10.0.0.1. A DNS server would be 8.8.8.8. I press enter requesting an IP address. See, I got an IP address 10.0.0.11 as I expected. See, for a second computer, I would give an IP address manually. Why am I giving this IP address manually? Because when a third computer tries requesting an IP address, now 10.0.0.12 is already used by a second computer. The last IP address assigned by this DHCP server is 10.0.0.11. It will not blindly just take a 10.0.0.12 and push it to this third device. It will check, is there any other device using 10.0.0.12. When it finds a conflict, then it will take a next number and then try giving it. So DHCP server is basically doing something called as a duplicate address detection. So the moment I click on a DHCP, I should get 10.0.0.13. Yeah, I got it. Then for the last device, let us select a DHCP. I should get 10.0.0.14. Yes, I got it as expected. Let us go to this router and there is a message. DHCPD ping conflict, DHCP address conflict. Server pinged 10.0.0.12. Since it has issued 10.0.0.11 to this machine, the server would take 10.0.0.12 and try reaching that device. When there is any device responding to it, a server will come to know that there is already a device with that IP address. So it will take a next number and tries pinging that. When no reply, then that IP address would be issued to a client machine. A DHCP is a very simple process. Okay. So that's it about DHCP. For any additional queries or information, you can post a comments right below there. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe it immediately. I would be posting a lot of technical and educational videos Once again, thanks for watching. It's Technical Talks with Technocrat Pradeep Ji. Thank you.